Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be unboxing another wireless earbud. Alright, it's called the A6 wireless earbud. Alright, so I actually bought this from Shopee a couple of weeks ago. I think was there was a promotion. Yeah, alright. So very simple. So over here you can see that the product name is A6 information. The Bluetooth it uses version 5.0, very good. Right, the earbuds itself, battery is about 50 ampere. It can last for about 100 hours. Oh, okay, I see that there's actually an English version here. So, okay, so standby time is about 100 hours. Talk time, 4 hours. Well, I'm not too sure about that. I'll be testing that out. The charging case capacity is written here to be 300 ampere. So, I mean, it can probably charge about 2 to 3 times. Yep, all right. And these are some of the Bluetooth protocol it supports. So let's get into it. User manual. So once you open up the case, this is what you get. You get the charging case, the earbuds left and right. Let me position it better. Right, you get the charging cable, which is USB-A to micro USB. Right, and then the spare ear tips. Right, so after I remove the plastic wrapping, alright, you will see here, okay, it goes in. Right, so it goes into here. I think it needs it to charge up. Alright, so let me grab a cable, let me charge it up and see what we will get. Okay, so you can see from here, okay, it's a very faint blue LED light blinking. Alright, so when it's charging, you will see this, alright, that is blinking to indicate that it's actually charging. And let's look inside. Alright, so both earbuds, the red light will actually light up to actually tell you that it's actually charging. Alright, so probably once it's done, it will turn back to blue. Okay, so let's give it a couple of moments to charge and then we will do some initial testing.
Few moments later.
Alright guys, so after charging a while, the earbuds, they are full. Alright, so let's get them to be connected. Let's switch on the Bluetooth. So you see here, A6Z, tap on it. Right, okay. So you scroll down. Yep, it's connected. Okay, pause, play. Alright, so now let's pair the earbuds to see this basic function. So you can see here, A6Z, tap on that. Okay, pair. Yes, it says connected. Alright, on the left side. Right, so let's go and, yep, play some of the music. We're going to YouTube. One time. Right. Yep, and you hear the music. You press another time, it will pause. In order to go for the next song, you need to press and hold for 3 seconds until you hear a click. Next song. One time for pause. One time for play. 1, 2, 3. This is for previous track. Right, so let's try again. 1, 2, 3. Yep, previous track. Right now, so how to identify whether this is the left or this is the left? Okay, according to the instruction manual, you need to look at the microphone here, all right, and you look at this handset here, all right. If it's pointing to your left side, the opening is pointing to your left side, this is for your left ear. And if you look here, the hole, the handset is pointing to your right side, this is meant for your right ear. Alright, so there you go. This is my unboxing of the A6 Bluetooth wireless earbud and the basic testing of its functions. And I'll be actually testing this earbuds for the next couple of weeks to see its functionality and to see whether, would it be recommended for you to actually get this type of ultra budget earbuds. Alright, so that's all the time we have here. My name is Johnny. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.